If Bluesky is not working, here are some troubleshooting steps to fix it. Check if Bluesky is down. Visit status.bsky.app to see if there's an outage. Check Bluesky's official Twitter X account for updates. Restart the app. Close Bluesky completely and reopen it. Update Bluesky. Go to the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Check if an update is available and install it. Check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. Clear app cache, Android users. Go to Settings, Apps, Bluesky, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Log out and log back in. Open the app, log out, then log back in. Reinstall the app. Delete Bluesky from your phone and reinstall it from the App Store. Contact Bluesky support. Visit help.bsky.app for assistance.